Las Vegas is alive and on the move again. With the start of several new building projects and the completion of many large past projects, this city is vibrant with work, play, and beautiful living. Just a few communities that are working on new home construction are Rhodes Ranch, Southern Highlands, and Summerlin. Rhodes Ranch offers a golfer's lifestyle at affordable pricing with innovative design in every home. The luxurious Southern Highlands is finishing its final phase of home building, and Summerlin is in line to add 800 homes in the next few years. With the completion of the long-awaited downtown Summerlin shopping district, it's easy to see the faith that builders and investors are showing in the area. According to the Las Vegas Convention and Visitors Authority, there is nearly $9 billion in new building projects and renovation planned over the next 3 years. And don't forget all the gorgeous sunshine, outdoor activities, holiday fun, and incredible entertainment and dining. Isn't it time you made your move to Las Vegas?